This boy found a dog after school, and knowing that the nearby supermarket had set out food in a water bowl for stray animals, he brought the dog there and left it at the store entrance. These boys rush to take their dog to the vet. Their family has raised them wonderfully. This little girl truly stole my heart when she protected her dog from the sound of fireworks, such a priceless friendship. A young boy protected a stray puppy on the street in the rain. Without a second thought, he ran over and covered it with his umbrella the moment he saw it. Today, instead of fishing like they usually do, they discovered a lost dog. Without hesitation, despite the danger, the boy jumped into the cold water to rescue the poor pup. His love for animals is truly priceless. The dog's leash got caught in the elevator, and the boy quickly pulled the dog up in a very risky move. It was a swift and smart reaction, one that likely saved the dog's life. These two young girls rescued their neighbors' dogs that were trapped in a burning house. Sometimes the bond between neighbors truly means everything.
Is it my fire alarm?
No, we literally heard it. It's coming louder from your house. Yeah. Hi, I swear, it's from your house. We kind of smell smoke here.
I know, I'm very far away. I'm gonna...
Okay. I smell gas now. Smoke. What's that? It actually smells like smoke.
You can go in.
Okay, yeah. The alarm is off. Oh, something's burning over here. Your door over here. Something's burning over here. I need to get the dog out.
Look, bro.
Even though this boy was cold himself, he didn't care at all. What mattered most to him was whether his kitten was warm enough. When the earthquake struck, the boy did everything he could to make sure no cat was left behind. Children have the purest souls. Just look at this little girl trying to shield a stray dog from the rain. It's a truly beautiful scene. This boy tried to rescue a sheep, but something about this sheep seems a little strange. Let's watch and find out what happens.
Молодец, Свет. Умничка. Умничка. Все, операция удалась.
It was a dangerous rocket launch, but luckily they managed to rescue the cat just in time.
Bruh.
Mia, you got this. Be real gentle and rescue that puppy.
I got one.
Okay.
Take a video, honey.
Oh, you did it!
This little girl's arm was just the right size to rescue a group of ducklings that had fallen into a drain, and she didn't hesitate for a second. Give a like for this kind and courageous heart. The baby and the dog seem to understand each other without saying a word.
Sabi po do.
The baby turtles were being attacked by birds, and the boy stepped in to protect them, making sure they reached the ocean safely. His father was so proud of his son's kindness and gentle heart toward the turtles.
What's the turtle's name? Kuchiwato, bye-bye!
This Palestinian boy is feeding a hungry stray cat, even though he hasn't had anything to eat all day himself. This was the support they needed to become best friends later on. A duckling got separated from its mother and was lovingly cared for by a young girl until the day it could be reunited, and today is the moment that beautiful reunion finally happens. A small gesture, a big love. Watch as this young boy brings hope to a stray dog. Compassion knows no age. Even though the water had risen to his knees, he chose to hold the cats tightly and move against the current until he reached a safe place, a warm and courageous heart. The boy looks worried. He's afraid his mom won't agree to let him adopt the stray dog. Children who are taught to be kind to pets often develop greater empathy, responsibility, and emotional intelligence as they grow up. An incredibly sweet and pure friendship. Even though they're in a meadow, the grass the little girl brings to the horse somehow tastes so much better. The best food is always the kind you share with your best friend, right? A little girl gave a stray cat water using the lid of her own drink, a beautiful act of compassion. With all his love for animals, he's doing his favorite thing of the day, feeding the cows.
Oh, God, it's so good. So good.
This baby has already learned how to share food with friends from a young age. The baby treats the two dogs like siblings in the family. This boy saw a stray cat stuck on a fence and did everything he could to help it, and his efforts paid off. The child rushed into the street without hesitation to save a tiny kitten. He's a true hero. Children are like little angels, and they truly know how to care for everything around them. A family was driving home after breakfast when the boy, Wyatt, looked over and saw a very distressed mother cow with no other cows around. He asked his mom to turn the car around, and she did. Wyatt then discovered the cow's calf stuck in a creek. Unable to climb back up, he went down himself to help the baby reunite with its mother. This boy truly has a compassionate heart. These pure-hearted children formed a line of stepping stones to rescue a poor puppy trapped in the water. It's the kind of story that makes us pause and smile. The world needs more of this. They decided to take a walk around the animal rescue shelter, and the boy couldn't stop crying at the sight of the poor animals. He truly has a deep love for all creatures. This boy just brought a scene straight out of a Disney movie to life.
You can put it on your nose.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay.
I don't think it's lost. I think it's just...
Whose cat is that?
This boy is surprising his parents by bringing home a cat, but it looks like it might be the neighbor's.
Put him down gentle, right there. No, Thomas. Put that cat down.
I love you, and I want to keep you, but we can't. But we can. If nobody gets you, we can keep you forever.
Some things are just too sweet, like this boy singing to his pet dog, Kira, about how much he loves her. A community that helps animals together will always stay closely connected. This boy's bravery surpasses that of many adults. Sharing food is this boy's greatest joy. Look at these two little kids feeding stray dogs. They gathered leftovers from the kitchen and shared them lovingly with the wandering pups. These children have more empathy than anyone could imagine, especially given their circumstances. This boy rescued a baby owl, and now it has become the guardian of the entire family. As much as he wants to cuddle the boy, this dog is on duty, a moment that's both heartwarming and deeply touching.
Come on, good girl.
Oh, oh my goodness.
This is the first time the girl has fed a deer, and now they're considering whether to open a zoo.
Oh my god. Hey ladies. I didn't think they'd just come up to them.
Come on.
Come here, little baby.
Come on.
Little baby. Sterling, look at me, look at me, look at me. Oh. What's your dog's name? Hi. You so
This boy can befriend and bring home any dog he wants. It's truly something special.
Look at the boy's reaction when he realizes the family goat is about to be taken to the slaughterhouse. He uses all his strength to save his beloved goat.
Thank you for watching the entire video. We hope you had a relaxing and enjoyable time. If you liked our video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we upload new videos. See you in the next video.